So my birthday is 4 days away, bruh. I need to get it together. Oh my god. So let's do that. So I went to the store. I bought a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna start off with this hair dye. I'm gonna do my lashes, my eyebrows. You'll see. I'm gonna do like a whole spa day. So the instructions said to wet my hair first. So this isn't really a hair dye. It's from a brand called Kristen S. Oh, I'm showing you my little knife comb because I thought it was cool. But anyways, it's from a brand called Kristen S. And it's supposedly like a glossing treatment. See, I thought that was funny marketing at first, but then at the end you'll see the result, and I feel like it worked. I feel like it is a glossing treatment. So what it's supposed to do is make your hair like shinier and more healthy looking, but with a little bit of tint to it. So it's not like completely a hair dye. It just like deposits a little bit of color and makes your hair glossy. So anyways, I did that. I put my hair up, waited the 20 minutes, totally ruined my favorite fucking cami, my favorite shirt. I was so sad about that because shirt is literally so comfortable, but whatever. So I went on to do my pedicure. I bought this little pedicure set from Ross. It was like $7.99 because I was like, man, fuck that. I'm not about to pay $170 because that's what I paid last time to get my toes and my nails done. So then I did a little Aztec clay mask. I washed my hair, came out the shower, and I had this little facial steamer. I think I bought it at either Ross or Burlington. Spilled that fucking water everywhere, girl. Oh my god. Anyways, the facial steamer, I think is from Ross or Burlington. It literally costs probably like less than $15. I recommend getting a little facial steamer because y'all, I was dermaplaning my face. So here I was putting oil on my face so it can make the dermaplaning like process easier and it won't irritate my skin. But I had to crouch down and look at how much hair was coming off of my face. And I'm kind of like rough with my shit. Like I'm not delicate, you know what I mean? But I was sitting in front of the steamer the entire time I was doing this, and look at my skin, y'all. Usually my skin after I do that is so irritated and like it hurts and it burns, but not with that steamer. So I really recommend that. Then I got these little eye masks and decided to do a bunch of sheet masks that my friend Allie sent me for my birthday. She literally sent me a whole care package. I love her so much. And I had some pimples. She also sent me these little mighty patches. She literally sent me like the whole box of stuff, y'all. I'm like so happy and hyped about it. She sent me these lip masks. So I was like, you know what? Let me try all of this at the same time. Let me be moisturized to the gods because I'm about to be 34, y'all. 34 years old. Like, I can't even believe it. Honestly, I'm just a teenage 34-year-old girl because I still feel like a girl in my heart and in my soul. Anyways, I finished doing my pedicure while I had the little sheet masks on. And I'm using this Enel Couture Space Kitty color. It's really cute. It's like a pinkish. So I took off the masks after like 20 minutes. Look how plump I am. Then I decided to rhinestone my toes because why the fuck not? You know, I was feeling the vibes. Look how cute they are, all rhinestoned out. I love it. Anyways, after that, I face rolled my face with an ice roller. Look how healthy my hair looks, y'all, with that treatment that I did. Highly recommend. I went to Blue Mercury and Target the day before, so I got a Hourglass concealer and a bunch of makeup, and then the lady gave me this free sample. It was like a vegan lip balm and all these other free samples. I was so hyped about that. So this is everything that I got at Target. I'm gonna start with the brow lamination. And y'all, okay, these are my brows before, all right? So clearly I don't have enough eyebrow hairs to do this. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking, but I wanted to try it. I wanted to be one of those girls that gets their brows and, you know, their whole birthday maintenance done. So I did it. I don't know why I did this. This shit was such a waste of money, you guys. Like, it started to turn my fucking skin green once it started getting darker. Like, the little bit of hairs that I do have, it did darken them. But since I really don't have that much brow hairs, it was like gripping onto my skin, making my skin green like if I got a bad tattoo. I don't recommend that. But then these are the impressed lashes. I didn't film the lash process. This is all I filmed. The eyebrows were looking atrocious, bitch, but I wiped them off. That's the final result. I don't know. I don't fuck with that. This was the end. I put on some nails to look cute. I feel like my skin was good. The lashes were good. The hair was good. And yeah, I was just feeling myself. This is my birthday vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.